in all my years I've been here. In less than 3 to 5 minutes, this thing just filled right up. Oh yeah. See the bus. Drive, buddy, drive. Come on, make some splash. Oh. Saw that lightning, guys? Yep. Drive, man. You're so boring. That's what's up. Yeah, a little splashy. Woo! That's what's up. Come on, come on. Oh gosh. Come on, come on. Oh, the bus is gonna have no mercy. He's gonna get flooded. Come on, what's going on? You guys are so boring. Come on, man, you could do it. Guy. Oh. Don't be a boring driver, just splash it. Come on, man. Bubble, bubble. Yeah, you guys are so boring. Oh, man. Next, who's gonna do it? Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Come on. Just talking all that talk about those rum. Let's do it, buddy. Woo. Drive, drive. It's just so fun watching this. Oh yes. The smoke comes out from the engine. This is fun. Yeah. So we out of power over here. Even the traffic lights are out. I'm gonna tell you something though. It was so much higher than this. Wholesale tires, go on, buddy. You chicken. You a chicken, buddy. That's what's up. This is so fun. This is so cool. Oh boy, I wish I had my umbrella. Oh, this is cool. This is so cool. Guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I need this. I need this one. He's gonna do it. Come on, buddy. That's what's up. Come on, buddy. Don't be a chicken. Come on, buddy. Around here is 50. You can do it. This is the 50 zone, not 20. You get a ticket for driving slow. Yeah, then just a little something, you know, just a little. She did it, unlike some other people. Oh yeah, he is down. That's what's up. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and oh nope, not out yet. I'm just trying to get that one shot.